Hi, ito si Ren!
Ito naman si John Michael.
Ito naman si Jason.
And we are the Violators!
Violators and Three Birdos.
Yeah, so for today's video, we're going to Hot Spring. It's actually one of the tourist spots in the Philippines, specifically in Bagao, Cagayan. And look, we're riding what do you call it?
A
Lager.
6x.
Yeah, lager. So I'll update. I will update you later kung ano ang madadatan natin doon. All right, bye bye.
Hi! So, nakabiyahe na po kami.
Saya. What's up, you guys?
Hi!
We are actually still on the way.
Yeah.
We're actually enjoying ang ganda dito sa Bagao. Ang ganda ng
Change position na kami.
Yes. Alright, there you go. Nagpalit lang kami ng damit. Uy, nagtanggal. Ayan na si Jason, medyo abala. Hi! Mag-hi sa vlog.
Hi!
Alright, so tapos na tayo mag-swimming guys. So hindi ko nakuhanan yung ibang clip, yung ibang mga ganaps namin. Basta nag-swim lang kami and then like talon and pagod yan. Tapos yung isang berdo guys, pamatayin na. Yeah, I will update you again kung anong mga kaganapan mamaya dahil pauwi kami ng Isabela ngayon. Bye bye.
Likad, naplat. Naplat ah. Niya pa yun.